I got a brand new bike today. Shiny wheels so bright and gray. I climbed on up, I pushed the pedal. Wobbled left, wobbled right, fell on the gravel. But I'm not sad, I'm not blue. Getting back up is what I do. Wobble, wobble, up I go. Fall today, but watch me grow. Wobble, wobble, try, try, try.
This entire music video was created with AI, and the only thing I uploaded was a song. No character design, no storyboarding, no animation, and no editing. I will show you exactly how to go from a simple song idea to a complete AI-generated children's music video using just 3 AI tools. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to follow along. Before we generate the song, we need some song ideas. I highly recommend you go with something educational, something that adds so much value to the lives of the kids as well as entertaining. Just copy this prompt and give it to any AI tool of your choice. It will generate original song ideas that you can use to create your song. For me, I used Claude, but you can use any AI tool you prefer. The prompt simply reads, give me 10 original song concept ideas for kids that teach real developmental value, including curiosity, resilience, empathy, confidence, or life skills. For each, include a title, the core message or lesson, a suggested mood or tempo, a targeted age group, and one catchy hook line I could build the chorus around. And Claude went ahead and gave me 10 original concepts ready to be written as song lyrics. Ensure that you go through this list and pick a song that really resonates with your targeted audience. For this tutorial, I selected song number 1, which is The Wobbly Bike. The lesson is resilience. Falling down is part of learning, not proof you can't do it. The mood or the tempo is upbeat, bouncy, and mid-tempo. The targeted age group is 4 to 7, which is very good. And the hook line is wobble wobble, up I go. For today, but watch me grow. That was just so amazing for me. Now that we have some song ideas, all we have to do is select between the provided list so that the AI can write a full song lyric for us. For me, it's number 1, so all I did was typing in saying number 1, and it went ahead and generated the full lyrics for The Wobbly Bike. It had the verse, the chorus, the bridge structure, and very easy to understand vocabulary. You can go through the entire song and change anything that you don't feel right. You can rearrange the order of the verses and the choruses. That's if you feel there is need for that. For me, I loved how everything was structured, and I left it like that. Now, before we go any further, there is one more thing that is very important which we need, and that is a video prompt. This prompt will help the AI create a video that matches every lyric of our song, keeping the actions and the repeated choruses consistent, making the music video fun, easy to follow, and engaging. To achieve this, I gave the AI this prompt. I will leave it in an attached document so that you can simply download all these prompts I'm using and easily follow along. Once we pasted in the prompt, it generated a full video prompt that we can simply use. Now, the only thing I did was telling it to say, put this in a PDF document, and it went ahead and generated our PDF document, and this is exactly how the entire video prompt looks. Now, whether you're using ChatGPT or Google Gemini, you can simply use the same process I've just shown you to write original song lyrics and this video prompt. I tried it in ChatGPT, and these were the song ideas it provided me with. After that, I asked it to write the song lyrics, and it went ahead and wrote the full song lyrics for the song I selected. After that, we gave it our final prompt so that it can generate a full video prompt for us, and it went ahead and did exactly that. And finally, we told it to put this in a well-designed PDF document. And this is exactly what it generated for us. Now that we have the song ideas and we have the song lyrics, The next step was creating the song itself. For this one, I used macbestmusic.com. I will leave all the tools and all the prompts I'm using in the video description below. Once you come to macbestmusic.com, you can paste your lyrics here in the prompt box, paste the style of your music, though it is optional. It also has some style options that you can choose from, and the final thing you need to insert is the title of your song, though it is also optional. You can also click on the Create a Music button here on top, and it's going to open in this new tab. So ensure that if a simple is selected, you switch it to custom. This is where you can simply have full control of the song you're creating. Paste in your lyrics, insert the style of music you want to create, and insert the title of your song. Literally, that's all you have to do. Let's go back to Claude and scroll way up to the song lyrics. Now, this is the title of the song, and this is the style of the song, and these are the lyrics. So, we'll start by copying all the lyrics, and we paste them into Macbest Music. From there, we copy the music style, which is this one, and we paste it here as well. And finally, we copy the title of the song and we paste it here. Once we are done, the only thing we need to do is hit create, and Macbest Music is going to generate two versions of our songs. Listen to them carefully and choose the one that you really feel matches the tone, the mood, and the song you are looking for. Now, before you go to any step, there is one more thing that is very important, which you need to download: the license certificate for the song you've just created. Our songs are done generating. Now, I generated a couple of more songs just to get a variety of versions I can pick from. Now, there are two songs that are kind of like hard for me to choose. Let me play one for you and just hear the first part of the song. This is the first one.
I got a brand new bike today, shiny wheels so bright and gray. I climbed on up, I pushed the pedal, wobbled left, wobbled right, fell on the gravel, but I'm not sad.
Let me play the second one for you to see and hear how it sounds.
I got a brand new bike today, shiny wheels so bright and gray. I climbed on up, I pushed the pedal, wobbled left, wobbled right, fell on the gravel, but I'm not sad.
If it were you, which version would you go for? Let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate hearing your view and responses. We'll simply go with this one. To download it, just click on these three dots and you see the download MP3 button here. And just like that, your audio will be downloaded. Now, before you leave this site, there is one more thing I would love you to download. That is your commercial license. Just click on these three dots again, and you'll see the commercial license here. Just click on it. This is the entire song that you have. So your commercial license will come with your information, your company, if applicable, the date, and your signature. You can download it right now, or you can come back to it later. Let me just show you how to go about it. Click on this button that says Get My License, and this is your license. This is how it will come. So what you simply have to do is click on this button that says License Agreement PDF. It will ask you for a few details. What is your name? Insert your name, insert your company name, and insert the date. The final thing that you need to do is to add your signature. When we click on add your signature, just type in your signature, something that matches the signature, and click on confirm. So that signature will be applied on your document or license. If there is need to change it, just click on change it and retype your signature. Once everything is well inserted, click on OK. And just like that, your license will be downloaded. It will look something like this. Now, the third step is creating the music video. Come over to Director. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know how much this AI tool has been of so much significance. All you have to do is click on this button here to upload the music file you just created, or you can simply drag and drop it here. Now, once the music file is uploaded, you will see this prompt box appear. Now, this allows you to select a specific section of your song you would love to create or make the video for. You can auto select, you can select 30 seconds, 1 minute, or the full song. It all depends with what exactly you want to create. I'll leave it at 1 minute. The full duration for my song is 2 minutes 3 seconds. From there, just hit confirm trim. Once the trim is confirmed, your song will be uploaded here. You can play it to confirm exactly if it sounds according to what you really want. From there, what we need to upload next is the document, which is the generated, which has got all the instructions on how we want the video to be created. Just grab it and upload it in the prompt box. From there, type in this simple prompt that says, follow the instructions in the document to create the music video for the provided song. After that, all you have to do is hit enter and allow the AI to analyze your audio, analyze your video, analyze your document, and begin creating the music video for the provided song. If you've been a subscriber for a while on our channel, you fully understand what you're supposed to do from here. But for the sake of that one person who is just here for the very first time, this is exactly what we're going to do. We will answer the follow-up questions that the AI provides. That's if it asks us. This can include the aspect ratio of our video, the resolution of our video, and other tiny details. Now, one more thing I really love about this, even if you've never used this platform before, is as the AI asks you a question, it always has the word recommended alongside the options it gives you. This is exactly what I mean. Right now, it is asking us to choose the aspect ratio for the video. As you can see, there are 3 different options, and it has got the recommended aspect ratio that we can easily select and allow the AI to build our video. This mainly happens to almost each and every question that you'll be asked. I would say, yes, let's go ahead. The second question is, which render quality should it use? As you can see, there is a 1080p light, which is highly recommended. The higher the resolution you choose, the higher the amount of credits it consumes. I highly recommend you go for the highest quality if you're doing this for a client or you're making professional videos for your project or YouTube channel. If you're just testing it out, I would suggest you go for the lowest quality and see the results that you get. If they're impressive, you can upgrade from there. I'll go for 720 pixels and allow the AI to do its magic. When it goes through everything you've provided and accepted, it will ask you to verify if the lyrics and every detail is accurate. Go through everything. Here on your left, click on the box. When you play through everything and everything sounds okay, you can simply click on confirm. If there is a specific word that has been misspelled or there is a specific word that is missing, when you click on that specific line, you see the lyrics here. From there, you can simply edit anything, remove, add, or make any necessary adjustment. Once that is done, all you have to do is click on confirm and everything will be approved. And after that, what you want to do is go through your MV document. This will show you exactly how your video is going to play out. This is going to show you how the music video will look and feel before it is made. Think of it as the blueprint or like the vision of the entire video you are creating. If you're pleased with how everything looks, just click on save and confirm here, or you can click on this button that says looks good. Once we've saved and confirmed the music video scene plan, the other thing we need to confirm is the characters and the backgrounds. Go through and review how your characters look. This looks so adorable. As you can see, this is a flat vector cartoon. When we scroll down, this is a background and these are the objects for the music video that we are creating. Now, if you do not like this cartoon style, you can simply tell the AI to provide the exact art style or cartoon style you're looking for. As for me, I really love how this one looks. I'll leave it exactly as is and I will just hit looks good and confirm and allow the AI to build the music video for me. And when the video is fully generated, this is exactly how it looks.
I got a brand new bike today. Shiny wheels so bright and gray. I climbed on up, I pushed the pedal. Wobbled left, wobbled right, fell on the gravel. But I'm not sad, I'm not blue. Getting back up is what I do. Wobble, wobble, up I go. Fall today, but watch me grow. Wobble, wobble, try. I'm gonna ride this bike, oh my. Tried again, my knee was straight, but I stood up, I didn't wait. One more push, my feet found the pedal. Wobbled less this time, I'm getting steadier. Every fall's a lesson too. That's the secret, me and...
Okay, that was just so amazing to watch. If there is a specific scene or a specific shot that you've seen which wasn't generated the way you wanted it to be generated, you can simply click on that clip. For example, let's assume it's this clip as she climbs on the bike. It looks a little bit muffy. All you have to do is select it, then click on this edit button. From there, you will see the recreate button that you can use to regenerate this specific clip. Select it and you will see the model that was used for that scene, the characters, backgrounds and other props, and the entire prompt that was used to generate your clip. From there, you also see outputs. Now, the clip that we are trying to regenerate is 8 seconds. So always ensure that you insert the exact video duration. As you can see, when we are trying to regenerate, it is set to 7 seconds. So just increase the duration by 1 second. Then from there, you can tweak the prompt if there is a need for that. Once that is done, hit regenerate and your scene will start regenerating. And when your scene is regenerated, go back to the timeline and you see it added here. Play the song and see how everything looks.
And my knee was straight, but I stood up, I didn't wait. One more push, my feet found the pedal. Wobbled less this time, I'm getting steadier. Every fall's a lesson too.
Yeah, that's amazing. Now, you can add extra shots, you can add more music. That's if you really want some sound effects. You can add a voiceover. You can also add some texts. That's if you want to. Or you can just click on auto caption, select music and select generate. And it's going to generate captions for your video. Now, one thing you must keep in mind is that every regeneration that you do, it costs some credits. I just want you to keep that in mind. And once you're done, your video is ready to be uploaded on any preferred social media of your choice. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. If you had any challenge, hit me in the comment section below. I'd really love to come in where I can. From here, check out this next tutorial that walks you through step by step on how you can create amazing AI animated 3D videos. God bless you.